Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Interesting Events by Sai Babu Sankara. It has come in the press that Rakesh Sachin, the cabinet minister in Uttar Pradesh government, he is the minister for MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. Yesterday, that is on Saturday, on coming to know about the court verdict, about his conviction, he ran away from the court along with the court order. Actually, this case is relating to 31 years back, not now. 13 years back case, that too Arms Act case, registered under section 20, 25 and 30 of the Arms Act, that is possession, carrying and using unauthorized weapon. Actually, on 13th of August 1991, when the SHO of Naubasta police station was conducting a check, this Rakesh Sachin was found in possession of the weapon. Actually, it was his relative's weapon, not his weapon. He could not produce the license. He could not show any reasonable explanation for the possession of the weapon. So therefore, a case was registered in crime number 729 by 91 under sections 20, 25 and 30 of the Arms Act in Kotwali PS of Kanpur. So the police conducted investigation and ultimately they filed the charge sheet, but the judgment came after 31 years, right? So 2 days back, when the judgment was pronounced that he was found guilty, immediately taking the order, he ran away or he fled away from the court premises. So it has become a controversial issue, very peculiar issue, very interesting. So how can it? That too is in a position of a minister, cabinet minister. No doubt he can right royally say, yes, I will go appeal, file an appeal. What happens? After all, it's a Arms Act special law case. Nothing is going to drop him in jail for years together. But instead of that, he showed his, I can say, mean mentality of cheap behavior by running away from the court. So will the court keep quiet? Definitely he will be arrested. If not, a warrant will be issued against him. If not, the police have to bring him back to the court. Is it not? Suppose if he takes away the copy of the court order, so what happens? Definitely another copy will be there present in the court. Yes, by using that court order, they can ask him to come and surrender before the court and he will be convicted. There is no doubt. But why this cheap activity or mean activity? So that too being a minister, he is a minister in the UC presently UP Assembly. So then once we see such activities of the so-called representative of the public, we feel guilty or we feel thinking about the sorrow state of affairs of the politics. Have we selected such people to go to the assembly? So this is the main problem. So therefore, political controversy. Normally, I think previously was in GF Janata, that Samajwadi Party, now we demand have switched to BJP. It's a different thing. But political issue, it has become taken a political term. These people are asking the CM to take his resignation. Of course, if the conviction is there, automatically his MLA membership will be lost. So if you wait for a couple of days, things will be clear. But anyway, the attitude, the behavior of the public representative is not proper. So as it's actually ethics against ethics. As a representative of the public, yes, okay, he was caught, right, okay. So the case has given its verdict, okay, allowed. So what the court will do? He gave order some punishment. He has to suffer. If not, there are so many avenues. He can file an appeal. Or if he is influential, since he is an influential man, definitely under section 432 of the CRPC, he can get remission for the sentence also. So many things are there. Why unnecessarily running away and creating nuisance, and that too is definitely in UP it had given as a blockhead news. But of course, since it is we are far away distance, only a little amount of 2 or 3 sentences were written, and that too in a newspaper like Hindu. So Hindu has got its own standard. But anyway, it's not good for the elected representative of the public to behave in such a manner. Anyway, The convicted minister flees with a court copy. This is the issue. It's an interesting topic. So, I request the so-called ministers or public representatives not to resort to such activities. Thank you.